Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods. And today I'm going to do a short video kind of on a pro tip when you're using some of these fly reel seats with inserts. So this is an American Tackle windowed reel seat with titanium and with rosewood insert. And as you can see right in here, there is space between where the rosewood and the titanium reel seat come together. And what I want to do is I want to show you a way to prevent, and not only on this particular reel seat, but on any reel seat really that has an insert. I'm going to show you a technique or a tip on how you can prevent creating more work for yourself just by doing a couple of simple steps to prepare this before you go to add this to your rod. And really what I'm talking about is up here at the top where you can see right here where the manufacturer, where they insert the insert, and the same thing on here on the inside. And so the reason why I want to show this to you is because if there is any gaps when the manufacturer attaches the insert to the reel seat, if there's any gaps where that material comes together, what happens is once you build your arbors and you slide this reel seat over your blank, that pressure, when it traps the air, that trapped air will force your two-part paste into any gaps that you may have. And what could end up happening is you end up getting paste on your rosewood or your carbon insert or whatever type of insert you're having, and that stuff will start to creep in. And now you have this on here, you're trying to get this to in the right spot on the blank like you want it, and clean up where the reel seat attached. But now you're also having to spend time with things like dental picks and toothpicks to try to get in here and get any paste that may have came out of there. So what I like to do is I like to use a 5-minute epoxy like this one by FlexCoat. And so all I'm going to do is just take a little bit of this, and we're going to do this a couple of different times. And so I'm just going to put a little bit here on my piece of cardboard. There we go. And I like to clean off the nozzle there. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing this pretty easily. And I'm going to do two different things, really. Two different techniques. Again, this is 5-minute. The reason why I like to use 5-minute is because it'll dry quicker, and then you can get after doing what you're trying to do a lot faster than waiting for your paste to dry. So I'll just take a toothpick, and I'm going to start with the inside first, and I'm going to make sure I'm putting some of this paste down there where that reel seat, or excuse me, that insert and that reel seat come together. Just to make sure I'm clogging up that hole. And just again using a toothpick, moving it around, and make sure you get that to slide down in there where you want it. And then you can see how I put that paste on the inside, and it's where I want it at. If I wanted to, I can come back with this popsicle stick actually and clean it up a little bit and put it back on my card. And what I'm doing here is just taking any extra off the inside, so when I slide it on, I've got it as smooth as possible. So that's what I do to the inside, as you can see it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing to the top up here, just to make sure that we didn't miss anything, that the manufacturer didn't miss anything, if you will. And I'm really focusing again where that insert connects. And then I'm just going to take a shop towel, and what I want to do is I want to clean off the actual metal portion of the reel seat, right? So I don't want it on the reel seat, because I have to make sure I've got a good fit with it and my handle, or my handle material. So that's what I've done. I've just put that finish in there, just making sure I've, filled any gaps that may have been missed by the manufacturer. And then I did the same thing here on the inside. And then what I do is I just kind of wait. And you can roll it, but this stuff will start to set up and dry pretty quickly. And then that's it. And again, just these couple of easy steps like this will help prevent the paste, when you slide it on, and any trapped air forcing that paste through any cracks that may be left behind by the manufacturer, and forcing that stuff up here and on top of the insert, and making it very difficult to clean and very time consuming to clean. So, hey, I hope this tip helps. I hope you're able to get something out of it. Please, if you thought the video was worthwhile, please feel free to share it with somebody you think that might find some value in the video. Make sure you guys watch this next video here. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.